Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. The last tutorial was on how to prepare amala. So today we'll be taking you through a tutorial on how to make Ewédú, which is a soup to go with amala. Please, what is a plate of amala without your Ewédú? Please tell me, what is it? Nothing. Okay, let's get right to business. Ewédú is a traditional Nigerian dish made from leaves of the jute plant. So Ewédú is also known as jute soup, so to say. Okay, it is typically served with a stew and starchy accompaniments like amala and or pounded yam. Here is a simple recipe to make ewedu. Now the list of your ingredients. You need 2 bunches of ewedu leaves, that's the jute leaves, 1 tablespoon powdered potash, food tenderizer, then 2 to 3 cups of water, salt to taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of locust bean. This is optional. 1 tablespoon of ground crayfish, optional also. Then now let's go down to the procedure of preparing your ewedu. Begin by separating the leaves from the jute stem. You can discard the stem as they are not typically used in the dish. Rinse the leaves thoroughly in cold water to remove any dirt or impurities. Please do well to wash your leaves very well, like make sure they are free from dirt and impurities. Drain the water and set the leaves aside. In a small bowl, dissolve the powdered potash in a cup of water. Stir well until the potash is fully dissolved. This will serve as a food tenderizer for the leaves. Next step, pour the dissolved potash into the cooking pot and add the jute leaves. Place the pot on medium heat. Stir the mixture gently and let it simmer for about 3 to 8 minutes. This will allow the leaves to soften. While the Ewédú leaves are cooking, you can prepare the optional ingredients finely and apply the locust bean if you choose to use them. You can also grind the crayfish if desired. You can also add little seasoning if you so wish. Add the Ewédú leaves. After the Ewédú leaves are cooked and are softened, remove the pot from the heat. Use a blender or a wooden whisk, locally called a jabe, to blend or mash the leaves. This will create a slimy consistency that is characteristic of Ewédú. Return the pot to low heat and add the optional ingredients, that's your locust bean, your crayfish, and your seasoning if desired. Stir well to incorporate the flavors. Add salt to taste and continue stirring for another 2 minutes. Stir well to combine. Once the ewedu is thoroughly heated and well mixed, you can remove the from the heat. Make sure you don't cover the ewedu during cooking and after you bring it down from the heat. Ensure that it gets cold before you cover your pot. Ewedu is typically served with a stew of your choice, such as a Nigerian tomato-based stew or a stew made with fish or meat. It is commonly enjoyed with amala, yam flour, or pounded yam. Simply scoop the ewedu into your plate, add a serving of stew and a portion of the starchy accompaniment, and enjoy. Voila, your ewedu is ready. Note: this recipe provides a basic guideline for making ewedu. Feel free to adjust the ingredients and quantities to suit your taste and preferences.
Enjoy with
Thank
your
you. We
family,
love you.
friends, or you can enjoy alone.
Thank you.